Imagine living life with everything steps outside your apartment door. At Park Central, you can grab your morning coffee just a stroll outside your door at boutique cafes. Next, enjoy your morning workout with city views, using state-of-the-art workout equipment from Techno Gym. Free weights, cardio machines, squat racks, and ample space for any workout need. On top of that, enjoy a yoga and spin studio. Go ahead, cancel that gym membership. Even better, working from home just got easier with our co-working hub on the 8th floor. Meet like-minded neighbors and enjoy the Park Central community. Filled with tables, couches, and reading nooks, work just got more productive. We all know that if you work hard, you play hard. Park Central makes that easier with residents' own golf simulator, arcade games, tenant events, enjoy drinks with friends at the Sky Lounge, and lastly Calgary's only apartment rooftop pool. This is the place where residents come together and build lasting friendships. Park Central also has more amenities that you might not have known you were missing. Concierge service, front desk security, community manager, local art filling the spaces, and even a pet spa for your best friend. When and if you need to venture out, you are in the middle of a bustling trendy beltline community filled with restaurants, shops, parks, and pathways.